Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to be trying some new products out. I bought a bunch of makeup from the Sephora website. I have a lot of things to try. I have some Morphe 2 products. I have Nars items. I also have some new lashes, new foundation. So yeah, today we have a lot of things to try. So if you want to see my opinion on these items and if you want to see how to create this really fun summer-friendly look, you can just keep on watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I put up new videos 2 times a week about makeup, so if you enjoy videos about makeup, you should subscribe so that you don't miss any of my content. And that's it, so let's get started with the makeup. Alright, so let's get started. Now for today's video, I am going to show you what I got in my Sephora haul. I'm going to try all of these items out. So for example, I bought some of the Morphe 2 products. So I bought a jelly eye shimmer. I also got a Glassified Lip Oil. I got the shade Be Kind, which is a really pretty like coral red kind of shade. For the eye jelly, I got the shade Bright Idea. And I also bought the Gloss Pop Face and Eye Gloss. Now, if you've been watching my videos or if you know my Instagram page, you know that I love a glossy skin. Same for the eyes, I love a good glossy eye. So when I saw that Morphe came out with this product, I was like, I need to buy this. And I finally I bought some new pairs of lashes. Now I've been using my ABH lashes in the style fashion for a hot minute now, so I really wanted to buy more of the ABH lashes. So I bought the style So Hollywood, which looks like a intense, like dramatic lash. I'm so excited to try this. And I also got the style Georgina, which is also very thick. It's really intense. This one is a little bit longer on the outer corners, and this one is just thick all over. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying these. So that's pretty much what I bought. I also have some samples that I'm also going to try. I do really like to get foundation samples whenever checking out at Sephora because I'm not really the kind to buy foundation. I always just wear concealer. I always like just to try foundation out with samples. So today I think I'm going to be trying the Beautyblender Bounce Foundation. I'm really looking forward to trying this. And I also have the little sample size of the Nars bronzing powder. I think this is their new summer bronzer. I'm not quite sure. And this is the Laguna bronzer. So I'm really looking forward to trying this. I need to stop rambling. I'm going to get started. Now I already hydrated my face. My face is clean, is washed, hydrated, so I'm going to jump right into my complexion. Again, I do have a lot of breakouts at the moment, so I'm going to start with my complexion so that I'm going to spare you looking at my skin for too long. So I'm going to take the Beautyblender Bounce Beautyblender Bounce Liquid. Oh my god. So I'm going to try the Beautyblender Bounce Liquid Whip Longwear Foundation. I think I'm going to be using the shade 2.10. It's their lightest. Alright, so first impression, this foundation looks very thick. I'm going to check if the shade matches. It might be a little bit too dark for me. So I'm just going to plop this on the side of my face. Oh yeah, this shade is going to be so dark for me. Oh my god. Do not worry, I'm going to make it work. So this is supposed to be full coverage, a velvet matte finish. Let's see, I'm going to blend this in using my Morphe M439 buffer brush. Yeah, that's way too dark for me. Oh my god. But so far I really like the finish of it. It's not too full coverage. I would say this is a medium to full coverage, and the texture is also quite light on my skin, so it's not really heavy or thick. And this is not totally matte, I would say. I do see a little bit of shine, but not too much. It looks really natural on my skin. It doesn't look like I'm even wearing foundation. Yeah, I really enjoy this actually. All right, Beautyblender, I see you. This looks amazing actually. I'm really impressed. Next, I'm going to bronze up my complexion. I'm going to be using the Nars Laguna bronzer. I never used Nars bronzers before. I do have a highlighter from them, and because I have so many bronzers and so many products, I absolutely adore mini sizes like this, because it's really rare for me to go through a bronzer. So I really enjoy these really small sample size. So I'm going to take that with my Real Technique blush brush. So I'm just going to put this in the hollows of my cheek. And first impression, this bronzer looks really pretty. Actually, I'm really impressed. This color is perfect. It's not too warm, it's not too cool. It's like a really good in between, and it's also blending quite nicely. And keep in mind that I didn't even set my foundation in place, so I'm really impressed because this bronzer is not even skipping, and it's really buildable as well. So there's not a lot of pigment when you first apply this bronzer. You can really take your time and build this up. So I'm just going to fill in my brows really quickly, and we'll jump into the Morphe product right after. Alright, so for my eyes, I'm going to start by trying the Morphe 2 Jelly Eye Shimmer. I'm really excited to try these because I've been looking for a good like shimmery eye cream for quite some time. So I really hope that this is going to be as intense as I hope it will. And again, I got the shade called Bright Idea. Okay, now I love the texture of this. It's really like a jelly kind of texture. Well, duh, it's called jelly eyeshadow. Let me just do a swatch really quickly. Ooh, alright. I do like what I'm seeing. There is a little bit like a patchiness. Like this jelly texture is like a little bit chunky, but let's see how this is going to apply on the eyes. I do really like this shade. There's like pretty golden shifts and glitters in this product. So I'm just going to pack this on my lid. Alright, so first impression, I kind of really like it actually. The color I chose is really like similar to my skin tone, so it's not going to like pop, but I do really like the shimmer and the shine that this product is giving me. I'm going to pop that pretty much all over my lid, and I'm also going to take this in my crease. I really want to have a overall glittery look to my eye. So I gave a little bit of time for the jelly eyeshadow to like sit on my eye, and actually it looks really good. It's not even creasing on my eyes. Maybe I see a little bit of creasing, but nothing major. I'm really curious to see how this is going to last on my eyes. This eye jelly, I think I'm probably going to buy more shades because so far I'm really impressed. I do kind of feel like its formula is a little bit dry, like it's a little bit clumpy. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see, but it is a little bit clumpy. So pretty. Oh my god, I love this. These do dry really quickly though on the eyes, so I would say work with this quite fast. I'm going to try and put another layer on top just to see if this is buildable. I kind of regret going into another layer because now everything is looking a little bit thick and cakey on my eyes. So I would recommend you to stick with one layer. And I'm going to take a blue eyeshadow. I'm going to take my Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, and I'm going to dip into the shade called Haze, which is a really pretty turquoise shade. I'm going to take that with a beveled brush. And I'm going to do a winged liner, but I do want this line to be super long and intense. And I also want it to be kind of blown out. I'm also going to do a line underneath the wing that we have on our upper lids. So I'm going to leave like a space between the upper and lower wing. And I'm thinking actually of taking a small detailed brush. So I'm going to take a Morphe detailed brush, and I'm actually going to take that jelly eyeshadow and I'm going to put it right in between where we applied both lines. I'm curious to see how this is going to apply with a brush. So I'm just going to coat the brush with this jelly eyeshadow, and I'm going to put the line in between both lines. And I'm actually going to recreate the exact same thing but on the inner corner. So I'm going to do one line on the upper lid going into the inner corner, and I'm also going to do one on the lower lash line, and I'm going to put a little bit of the gel liner in between both lines. And I'm also going to drag that blue shade all over my lower lash line. All right, I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see this, but it did transfer quite well from the brush on the skin. All right, I'm kind of liking this look. All right, so I have both my eyes on and I am obsessed with this look. I really, really like it. So next, I think I'm going to be applying my lashes. I do not know which lash I want. I think I'm going to go for these because I do have this cat eye kind of vibe going on. So I think I'm going to go for the style So Hollywood. It looks so pretty, and these lashes are so easy to apply, but these are pretty. Oh my goodness. Wow. These are intense. And I definitely need to cut them. They're way too long. I'm going to cut like on the outer corner, like maybe half a centimeter. It always breaks my heart whenever I have to cut lashes. So I'm just going to apply some mascara to make sure that my lashes are coated in black so that they blend better with my false lashes. And I'm going to use my velour lash glue. This is the white latex free glue, and I hate this glue, by the way. This is awful. Never buy this because this will stay in your lashes for like a whole week after you've used this lash glue. Like, it's really, really sticky, and it's just not worth the price. And of course it's raining, so I hope you're not going to hear that. Like this morning it was ooh, girl, those lashes, oh my god, they're so pretty. But these lashes are making it up for the fact that I hate this lash glue. Oh, this is pretty. And it's sunny again. Welcome to Montreal. Can we just take a moment to appreciate how extra these lashes are? They're on sale, by the way, on the Sephora website. That's why I bought so many of them. So yeah, these are definitely approved. All right, so I need to stop like freaking out on these lashes, and we are going to jump into the Gloss Pop Face and Eye Gloss. I'm so excited to try this. I've been really liking a gloss skin, gloss eyes, gloss everything lately. I really enjoy it. So when I saw that ColourPop came up with this product, I was like, I need to buy this. This looks freaking amazing. So I'm going to use this on my cheeks actually to do kind of a highlight moment. I'm just going to take a little bit on my ring finger. Ooh, this is like a very gel texture. I thought it would be more liquidy, but it is very like thick. The only thing I'm scared about this product, because it's a gel texture, I'm kind of scared that it's going to remove my base and the foundation. So I'm just going to apply a little bit on the high points of my face. Oh, oh my god, I need to calm down. This looks so pretty. Oh, and it did not move my under foundation and concealer, so I'm actually really impressed. This is crazy. I'm going to let this dry. I wonder if this is going to stay like tacky on the skin or if it's going to like dry down. Oh my god, I'm going to use this so often. It's so pretty. I'm loving my complexion right now. Actually, I'm loving everything I just tried. Oh my god. Yeah, I think it's going to stay tacky because it's not really drying down. So this is actually going to stay glossy on the skin. So don't buy this if you want a matte or like a non-sticky gloss. This will stay glossy and tacky on the skin. And last but not least, from the products that I got, I'm going to be trying the lip oil. I got the shade Be Kind, which is a coral bright shade. I kind of want to eat this. Why do I want to eat this? This makes me think of like the popsicles, but like in a squeezy bag. So I'm just going to apply this on my bare lips just to see if it's going to have some color. Ooh, this is really liquidy, like really liquidy. It doesn't really have any color. If you want to buy these, you don't really have to look at the shade because I think they're all going to look very similar. Maybe the deepest shade will have a little bit more of a tint, but all of like the lighter shade will look the same on the lips. I really like the texture actually. It's not really thick on the lips, but it has a really nice shine, a really nice gloss. So I think I'm going to have a lot of usage out of this. So that's all the products I tried today and I bought. I love this look. I feel like this will be a perfect look for summer. And I think my favorite product from this whole haul is the gloss. It looks amazing. And the lashes. The lashes are crazy. I like them a lot. All the products I tried were a success. There's no really product that I didn't really enjoy. All of them were amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I put up new videos 2 times a week about makeup. So if you enjoy makeup, subscribe to this channel. I put up new videos Tuesdays and Saturdays, so subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.